Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version of content in HubSpot. This is incredibly useful when you need to undo changes or recover earlier work on pages, emails, or blog posts without starting from scratch. First, head over to HubSpot.com and sign into your account. If you're new to HubSpot, you can create an account or start a free trial. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your content. Next, you'll need to navigate to the specific content you want to restore. HubSpot organizes content by type and hub, so depending on what you're working with, you'll access it from different areas. For example, landing pages and emails live under the Marketing Hub, while knowledge-based articles are found in the Service Hub. Let's say you want to restore an email. Hover your cursor over the left menu panel and look for the option named Marketing. An expanded menu will appear, and from there, click on Emails. Now locate the specific item you want to revert to a previous version. Once you've found your content, open it to enter the editor or view mode. This is where you'll be able to make changes and access the tools you need. Now look at the upper part of your screen and hover over the option named Save. This will reveal additional options. From here, look for version history. Clicking this will open a pane that shows all the saved versions of your content, complete with timestamps. This feature is what makes HubSpot so powerful for content management, as it keeps a detailed record of every change. In the version history pane, review the list of previous versions carefully. Each entry will show you when the version was saved, helping you identify the exact one you need based on the date and content. Click on the version you want to restore to preview its content before making any final decisions. This preview step is important because it lets you confirm you're restoring the right version. Once you've confirmed the correct version, click the button labeled Restore this version. If HubSpot prompts you to confirm the restoration, go ahead and do so. This action will revert your content back to that saved state. Finally, after restoring the version, click Publish or Save to apply the restored version. If your content was previously published, make sure the updated version is live so your audience sees the correct version. And that's it. You've successfully restored a previous version of your HubSpot content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.